Okay, these shower curtains are notorious for falling down and giving you a headache. And reason for it is that you probably exceeding the limit of the weight. This particular one is two layers. You got the heavy plastic and the regular one is able to handle one, but not both. So the way you can fix it is basically they sell these stuff, but I went ahead and made it. Got a towel and put a hole in it and used the thin set that is used to put the towel attached to the walls. I used that and waited about 6 hours. So basically a hole. Now, if you cannot do this for some reason, you need a drill bit and a diamond cutter. All those are sold in Home Depot. If you cannot do it, they sell them. They're not as good, but there is products to do the same thing, and you can look them up. Maybe I'll put a link for you. I hope this helped, but this curtain would fall for the last 2 years. I don't know why. I never thought about it, but it's a simple solution. Bye. I hope this helped.